You've probably seen this pink salt trick trending everywhere. People claim it helps you burn stubborn belly fat in just 7 days. So, I decided to test it myself and see if it's just hype or if it really works. The results? Let's just say I was surprised. Why pink salt might help? Himalayan pink salt is rich in trace minerals like magnesium and potassium, which may help with water balance and bloating. While it's not a magic fat burner, it can support your metabolism when combined with healthy habits. The 15-second recipe. Here's how I made the drink. I mixed half a teaspoon of pink salt with warm water and a squeeze of lemon every morning before breakfast. It's simple, quick, and surprisingly refreshing. Day 1. 3 results. In the first 3 days, I noticed less bloating and felt lighter. It didn't melt fat instantly, but it did improve digestion and reduced water retention. Day 4. 7 results. By day 7, I saw a visible difference in my stomach area, mostly due to reduced bloating and better hydration. I also felt more energized during workouts. Does it really work? Pink salt alone won't make you lose fat. But combined with good nutrition and movement, it can help you feel leaner and more motivated. If you want faster results, pair this drink with high-protein meals and short daily workouts. And if you're ready for a structured fat loss program, I've linked a powerful step-by-step training plan in the description. Check it out.